Why does your scanner show the P23AD engine code? What does it mean? P23AD is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx Sensor circuit range or performance bank 1 sensor 3. The P23AD engine code indicates an electrical performance or signal range issue with the nitrogen oxide NOx sensor circuit, bank 1, sensor 3. This sensor is a vital component of your vehicle's emission system, responsible for monitoring the amount of nitrogen oxide leaving your exhaust. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failing NOx sensor. Damaged or corroded wiring. Exhaust leaks. Blown fuses or power issues. Contamination. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Kia, Volkswagen, Hyundai, and Mercedes. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.